Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time show when something happened or will happen, and sometimes its duration. They always describe verbs, such as when the verb's action occurs. We have to be ready at 5 p.m. Don't eat before bedtime. I suddenly get energy after the sun sets. Our teacher fell asleep during recess. Your homework is due by Monday. Here are some more examples to understand the concept. We will be meeting on Friday. The supermarket will be closed from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. Can you come after some time? We have been asked to work from home until the end of May. The whole country was asked to stay home during the pandemic to ensure safety and well-being. Prepositions establish relationships between nouns, pronouns, and other words in a sentence, commonly indicating location, time, or direction, such as, the book is on the table, we will meet at noon, and, the train goes through the tunnel. By forming prepositional phrases, they provide details about where, when, or how something occurs, connecting different parts of the sentence to create clarity.